We talk about raising to the occasion in big games. Today, we just didn't rise, but we conquered today. The intensity, the camaraderie, the resilience, what we have shown today, and also throughout the tournament, were nothing short of extraordinary stuff. Like a pack of wolves, well, Rahul Bhai and Rohit keep saying, everybody knew their role, but together, we hunted every opportunity which came our way, leaving no stone unturned. Today, to give away the medal, I have an honor, really, to introduce an esteemed leader who made quite a few contributions to Indian cricket and made it remarkable. And it's my privilege to welcome Jaisha sir. Sir, your presence is truly appreciated. It's Suryakumar.
Thank you so much, Dilip sir, for giving me this opportunity and collecting this medal from Jay sir. And
well done, everyone!